What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making low-carb Salisbury steaks with mushroom gravy. So let's go ahead and get started. First, take 1 pound of ground chuck beef and season that with 1.5 tablespoons of minced onion, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, and then add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and grind up that beef. And add 1 beaten egg, 1/3 cup of almond flour, and then go ahead and mix that all in together. And then take a set of clean hands and then form 4 oval shaped patties using that ground beef. And then set that aside. And take a tablespoon of olive oil and then drizzle that in a pan. And then add your patties to that pan. And you want to let those cook on each side for about 4 to 6 minutes. Before you flip each patty, make sure that it is fully cooked on each side so you prevent yourself from breaking a patty. And then add a tablespoon of butter to the pan and go ahead and deglaze that pan and add 1/2 cup of sliced onions, 1 cup of mushrooms, and then saute those until they are soft and the onions are fragrant. And then add 1.5 cups of broth. I like to use beef broth or chicken broth works as well. And then you'll add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And then go ahead and give that a good stir. And then you want to take a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum and combine it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of that gravy mixture. Stir that until it starts to become thick and then add it back to the pan and stir that until the gravy becomes thicker. Add your ground beef patties back to the pan and then go ahead and serve.